How to create Spotify account. So if you want to create a Spotify account, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Spotify. If you have your application, you can go with the application, or you can also go with your browser, which is open.spotify.com. And here you need to just simply go with sign up, which is on the top right. And you can either sign up with your Google or your Facebook or your Apple. So I'll just simply go with sign up with Google, or you can also enter your email address. So make sure to select an account which is not used before. So click on that and then click on continue. It will continue. Google will share your name, your email address, and everything. You will have the email address, the name, date of birth. So you need to enter your date of birth and go with your gender. Click on next and terms and conditions. This is the last step. And after that, click on sign up and your account will be created. That's how you can create a Spotify account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.